One of the most common procedures is horizontal alignment. To carry out this procedure, you first need to enter the following data into the program. Select coupling type, tolerance values, tolerances, as well as which of the machine feet are movable. The choice of the type of coupling type is made from 3 proposed options: coupling, spacer shaft, or cardan shaft. After that, you will be presented with different tolerance tables suitable for the associated coupling. You can select in the table the tolerance value that corresponds to the machine speed or enter a custom tolerance value. To do this, you need to tap the plus icon. Here is an example of entering the dimensions of a machine with a cardan shaft. For this procedure, you need to measure the distances as accurately as possible using a measuring tape. Use the distances shown on the screen. Then, fill in the associated values as displayed.